Hi friends, welcome to my channel Math Careper. Today I discuss how to find number of surjective mapping of function using Euler phi function. To learn it, first we define the Euler phi function for two coordinates. Then we see it. So let's start. How to find number of onto mapping using Euler phi function. Here phi of mn equal to phi of m minus 1 comma n minus 1 plus n into phi of m minus 1 comma n. This is an Euler function for two coordinates m and n. For first term both coordinate will decrease, plus for second term second into first decrease. If we take an example, it becomes more clear. Like if we take 5,4, then using this formula both decrease 5 minus 1 comma 4 minus 1 plus 4 comma 5 of 5 minus 1 comma 4. So this is 4 comma 3 plus this is 4 comma 4. So if phi of r comma r, then it is 1. If phi of r comma 1, then 1. If the two coordinates becomes equal, then it's give value 1, and the second coordinate becomes 1, then it is also give value 1. So the value of this is 1 using this formula. So again we apply this formula for this. So both decrease plus second into first decrease. So 3 comma 3, this 1. So again we apply here 3 2 comma 1 plus 2 into 5 2 comma 2. Value of this 1. So this is 3 plus 4. So finally we get value of this is 1, as second coordinate is 1. So 1 plus this value is also 1. 3 plus 4. So this is 10. This is an Euler phi function for two coordinates. Now we see its application. If a to b be a function and order of a equal to m and order of b equal to n, where m greater than n, then the total number of onto function is phi of mn into n factorial. Let's see an example. Phi of mn into n factorial. Here phi is an Euler phi function, n factorial. So example, if a to b, order of a equal to 4, order of b equal to 3. Now we find from a to b how many onto function can be defined. The total number of onto mapping is using this formula is phi of 4 comma 3 into 3 3 factorial. We break it by the above rules. So both decrease plus second into first decrease, this into 3 factorial. So both decrease plus second into first decrease, 2, 2. Value of this is 1. So this is 1. This value is also 1. This value is also 1. This plus this into 6. So final result we get 6. So friends, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.